In this video, let's talk about Customer Lockbox. Now, Customer Lockbox is a feature within Power Platform managed environment which allows you to basically provide an interface for customer approval for data access request from Microsoft support. Now, usually, what happens is if you are stuck in an issue with regards to, say, environment or some sort of a technical issue within your environment, and if you're unable to resolve it by just basic troubleshooting activities, then you may need to contact Microsoft Engineer. Now, Microsoft Engineer sometimes will be able to resolve your issues just by getting a high level access to your environment or by troubleshooting it from their backend. But sometimes Microsoft Engineer may need access to your environment in the backend. So, quite possible during that time, some of your data may be exposed to the Microsoft Engineer, and that's specific reason Microsoft may request for a customer lockbox access so that Microsoft can troubleshoot the issue, and at the same time you also have some sort of audit enabled within your environment to track those requests. Now, customers can review and approve data access request when data access to customer data is needed by Microsoft. Now, it is used in a case when Microsoft Engineer needs to access the customer data because maybe customer data is creating some sort of a problem or issue within the current tenant or environment. Now, this can be a customer initiated support ticket or maybe a problem identified by Microsoft in their backend system. You can enable customer lockbox for your data sources within your tenant. Now, enabling customer lockbox will enforce the policy only for the environments that are activated for managed environment. So, if your environment is of type managed and you have enabled customer lockbox, then those policy will be enforced. Global administrators and Power Platform admin can enable the lockbox policy. So, these set of users or the users belonging to those groups will be able to enable the lockbox policy. Now, a lockbox request is basically sent to the global administrator and Power Platform administrator for approval. Now, the lockbox requests are recorded and made available to organization as an audit logs. Okay, so once the lockbox request is approved, it cannot be revoked for the entire duration of the access period of 8 hours. So this is the point which uh, need to be noted because you cannot just approve the request and then try to revoke it back. So maybe it gets locked for at least for an 8 hour period time. Now, here you'll see under Power Platform Admin Center, you can go to Customer Lockbox under Policies, and then you can start putting those requests for Customer Lockbox. Now, before you even do that, you need to enable the Customer Lockbox from the Power Platform Admin Center. Now, I'll show you uh, where you can view those Customer Lockbox requests. Now, I can't demonstrate you directly customer lockbox request, but I can show you where all those requests are available. Now, if you see this environment, so take for example, now these are some of the environments which I have within my system. Now, this environment is a managed environment. Okay, this environment is not a managed environment, right? Now, uh, under Power Platform Admin Center, if you go to settings and if you search for customer lockbox, here, you will be able to enable the customer lockbox. Now, if you read the instruction clearly, it says access to customer lockbox requires users in the environment where the lockbox policy is enforced to have any of the subscriptions. So you need to have a specific subscription. And at the same time, customer lockbox will be enforced only on environments that are activated for managed environment. So, and it gives you clear indication that there are three managed environments in this tenant. Okay. So first step is to enable this. Okay. Second step is once those requests are created, you can view the pending request over here. Now, I can't demonstrate that in this video, but here you will see all the support request ID, status, request expiration, access period, those kind of information. And under the recent tab you will see any approved or denied request in the last 30 days. Now here again, if you want to configure the customer logbox, it will again take back you to the environment setting screen over here, which we just saw a while ago. And here you can turn on and off the customer logbox settings. So that's it, folks. This is mainly all about customer logbox. So customer logbox is basically used to provide a request to Microsoft for gaining access to your environment with customer data in it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.